Anxiety and panic can be defeated with these tips. When you first start to feel anxiety, you can be puzzled. This is because you don't know what's going on, and then out of nowhere you realize you're plagued with anxiety in your life. If you are feeling like anxiety is creeping up on you, then keep watching and figure out how to get rid of it. To help you ensure anxiety is not taking control of your life, speak to your doctor about medications you can take to restore potential chemical balances. Medications are often prescribed for people dealing with anxiety disorders, and the results have proven to be very effective in most cases. Try to exercise every day if you are having trouble with anxiety. When you get rid of all of your extra energy, then you make your mind a little more tired. This is great if you have trouble sleeping because of your anxiety. During exercise, you will also notice that you aren't thinking about much, so that helps with anxious thoughts as well. Social interaction is a must for people, in order to survive. You will die slowly without any social interaction. It is also a big help when it comes to dealing with anxiety. Try talking to someone, and maybe that person can help talk you through your anxiety by helping you sort things out. One of the ways that you can feel better during the day and help reduce anxiety is to stretch the moment that you wake up. This can help limit any strain on your body when you go to work or school, and can help generate the relaxation of all your muscles. Getting rid of anxiety is a matter of time, and it's different for everybody. Some people can get rid of their anxiety in a matter of weeks, while it takes months for others. Yet it is possible to overcome, as long as you stay strong and apply what you know on how to get rid of it. When you do that, it's gone before you know it. Discover how I overcame anxiety disorder, and started living life again. Visit secretanxietyhack.com, to learn how I did it. I thought my anxiety disorder was for life, but I discovered how hundreds of former anxiety sufferers melted away their anxiety, and now live relaxed, happy lives, with no trace of anxiety or depression at all. Visit secretanxietyhack.com to learn so much more. Link in the description.